Welcome to VidaBox. VidaBox is an integrator-friendly manufacturer of three main product lines: Blu-ray and DVD media servers, multi-room audio servers, plus automation and control systems. With our media servers, we can archive our unencrypted Blu-rays, DVDs, and CDs, then stream them to any TV through playback in high-definition 1080p and 7.1 surround sound. Archiving discs on our servers is extremely easy. Simply open up the disk tray, drop the discs in, and close. The system starts archiving your disk losslessly, bit for bit, while cover art and metadata is tagged automatically. This is what we call our drop-and-rip technology, unique on our VidaBox systems. For reliability, all our servers have a secure black box design, meaning there's no interaction between the customer and the system other than the drop-and-rip feature we just saw. There's no keyboard, mouse, or interface of any kind, so there's no chance of viruses and malware being loaded onto the server. Once your movies and music are loaded, we can stream the content to multiple TVs. First, connect your server to a gigabit switch through a single Ethernet cable. Then, wire our VidaBox extenders at each TV location with Ethernet and HDMI. We can now access Blu-rays, DVDs, music, and even online content from Netflix at any time. Let's see how this works. We can use the included iRemote to control this intuitive on-screen interface and select movie library. We'll be able to browse the Blu-rays and DVDs we have via cover art, and using the up, down, left, right arrow keys, pick the title that we want with the remote and select play. The movie starts immediately. It's that simple. Playing music is just as easy. Simply go back to the main menu by pressing the home button. Then choose Music Library. We can browse by albums and cover art, artists, genres, and much more. To play music, simply pick a title's cover art and choose Play Album. Playback starts up right away. To view photos, let's just click on the home button once again, then choose Picture Library. We can see the different albums we have represented by folders. Select it to see the thumbnails of each photo, and for convenience, just choose Play Slideshow. Notice that the music that we picked from before is still playing in the background. You can now enjoy beautiful animated slideshows with your favorite songs. Well, what about internet content? VidaBox has that covered too. Let's go back to the main menu and go into Netflix, where you can access movies and TV shows on demand. We can see the instant queue on our account, pick the title we want, and start playback in a few seconds. Depending on the region, VidaBox can also access free IPTV for TV shows, news, and much more. We may also get access to premium services like Cinema Now and XM as well. With VidaBox media systems, we can easily choose any Blu-ray, DVD, CD, or online title, played in any room at any time, all through a single system. Well, what if we already have a control system in place and we didn't want to use the IR remote? VidaBox already has two-way drivers and modules for popular systems like Prestron, AMX, RTI, HAI, and even the URC MX6000. We also have a one-way Control 4 driver, allowing us to control our VidaBox systems from any C4 remote. As nice as these third-party systems are, is there another option? Isn't there an easier and less expensive way to play whatever content we have to wherever and whenever we want? How many of you have customers that have asked about using an iPad to control their homes? Probably quite a number, right? But isn't it annoying that you have to get one system for movies and video, another system for multi-room audio, plus yet other controls and more? Wouldn't it be great if we can all do this without having to spend tons of money on extra hardware, run more wiring to connect this hardware, then spend time on specialized programming? Well, now we can, with the VidaBox LiivController. You may be wondering, with all the different AV and automation solutions already in the market, why VidaBox? What makes us so different? LiivController is the first product of its kind that tightly integrates digital media with automation. Instead of focusing on things like HVAC, lighting, and security, we focus on making it easy to access the things that everyone already has, like movies, music, photos, and more. We then combine that with lightning-fast automation, so you can now control any device from any iPad, iPod, or iPhone. Let's go over the main features. First, the LiivController is a complete multi-room audio server, providing music storage, multiple audio sources, and built-in matrix switching. All you need to do is add amplifiers. Say if we want to load some music. The system can drop and rip our music CDs with its built-in Blu-ray drive. Once it's done, the title automatically shows on our touch interface for playback. This is all done automatically, without writing a single line of code, and with no programming. Let's see how this works. We can go into our iPad and launch our V-Automation controls. Select the zone that we want to play music in. From here, pick an album from our collection and choose play. We can also choose from internet radio stations as well. We can get access to local AM and FM radio stations, eliminating the need for a tuner. Or we can choose international stations and listen to music from around the world. Access is built into the LiivController. There's no need for any extra wires and antennas. We also have access to on-demand music with Rhapsody, where we can browse or search by artist, album, title, genre, and more from over 12 million songs. We can create our own custom playlists to enjoy any song in any room at any time. We can also synchronize music from different rooms. Just select the Group tab, choose the rooms where you want to send music to, and click Set Group to play the same song wherever we want without needing a matrix switcher. With access to thousands of international plus local internet radio stations, and combining that with an on-demand service like Rhapsody, LiivController gives us access to any song, anywhere, at any time, as our complete multi-room audio solution. The second main feature of the LiivController is its ability to act as a complete control system, with 7 reports for IR control, video, contact, or voltage sensing for automation, dual RS-232 ports, and a gigabit TCP/IP port. It can provide control of any device from any iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. Let's see this in action. We can go into another zone called Living Room and select an activity, say, watching some TV. Our receiver and TV switches over to the appropriate AV inputs. And as you can see, we have full control of the DVR built into our TV set-top box. We can now pause, rewind, or fast-forward our TV programming. With the LiivController, we can control any device and replace all our IR remotes. We can switch to a gaming system like the Wii, or an Xbox, or other set-top boxes like Blu-ray players, with complete remote control. Using the LiivController, we can truly control any device in any room from any iPad. The third main feature of the LiivController is its integration with our VidaBox media servers, so we can easily access all our Blu-ray and DVD titles. Let's switch over to the theater on the iPad interface. From here, choose Movie Server as the activity. We can now browse Blu-rays and DVDs by cover art, pick on the title we want, and choose Play. We can enjoy complete control with the built-in remote and the integrated keyboard. Say if we didn't want to carry the iPad around for control. We can also mount them on our walls with our beautiful iPad frames, available in 7 different colors and finishes. They also can be kept charged at all times with our iPower charging station or IPCX charging kit. With the LiivController, you can even be on vacation thousands of miles away and bring up the V-Automation web app too. Turn off all the AV equipment, press the all-off button for shutting off the thermostat and lights to save energy, or view our cameras and see what's going on back home. The system is infinitely expandable, being able to work with up to 100 other devices for control of 200 serial ports, 300 relay contacts, or 600 IR outputs and sensors. The LiivController provides total, complete control of any device, no matter where you are. With VidaBox, instead of needing a dedicated audio server, radio tuners, matrix switcher, expensive proprietary touch panels, and a control system to bridge everything together, a single LiivController and iPads can be a complete multi-zone audio and automation system. Best of all, you can expand upon this with our media servers to stream any Blu-ray, DVD, or music, plus controlling any TV, receiver, or any other AV device in any room at any time, all with VidaBox. Lastly, our LiivController with multi-room audio and automation costs less than systems with similar features, as there are less components, it's faster to install since everything is in one box, and it's easier to use with a single, unified interface. With VidaBox, you now have access to solutions for multi-room audio, multi-room video, automation and controls, plus much more, allowing you to have a very flexible yet powerful solution at an outstanding value, all backed by our VidaBox world-class support. This entire line of audio, video, and control solutions is only available from VidaBox.